So we are here at AIM Expo show in Las Vegas, and this is Tire Chain's Dr. Tony going to check out how it goes. So first we get the air out of it. And now comes the hard parts, breaking the bead. Like we promised, it's one of the most stiffest tires. Will it break it? Aha, and the bead is yep, not bad. So one side is done. Wasn't that hard?
No.
Yep, and the other side is done as well. As you could see, very doable, even on the stiffest tires that have been on for a very long time. 13,000 miles on it. So we'll see that the included step pusher is positioned well. And as you can see, now what Tony's doing is putting the duck head. So he turns the first, well, a lot of soap water. We see that the soap water is best for removing and dismounting a tire, because you don't need bead grease when dismounting, but you need a lot of lube. So he positions the duck head at 6 o'clock, inserts the tire iron, and then at the same time pushes the bead breaker to make the tire fall into the drop center from the other side. This way, going from both sides, it's way easier to pull the edge of the tire over the duck head. That's a stiff tire. Gives us some struggle. Yeah, there you go. You have a hook under the duck head ratchet system, and we are ready to go for cracking the bead. Sorry, to dismount the tire. So, first side is off. So best to put always a lot of soap water to make it easy. Yep, soap water makes all the difference. It's way easier. Here we go. Tires off. So now for the purpose of the demo, we actually will put the same tire back on. New tires obviously are softer and they are easier to put on. But well, let's make it challenging. We'll put on the same old stiff tire. Normally we use bead grease, but at the moment, as this doesn't have to be, we're gonna put a new tire on it anyway later. So we'll use soap water to mount this one for demo purposes. Okay, the first side is on. So now Tony positions the duck head at basically 12 o'clock. Helps it diagonally over the duck head. It has to be diagonally between the duck head, and that's the way it's intended to work. If you have a very stiff sidewall tire, then it's kind of difficult to make it work diagonally, but then again, seems it's going more or less fine now. Okay, now comes the last part of it.
JC's.
Maybe that's why. Maybe I came up with a conversation.
Okay. Pretty much last bits and pieces to go. Tony is not using the drop center tool, but it seems to be that it's fine. And there you go. The tire is mounted. Does it change? Here we had a very stiff old Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited tire that has been on about 10 years, 13,000 miles on it. Stiff as hell, but here you go, it's mounted.